Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kadeja. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move right along to the video. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how to style your natural hair. And as you can see, I have mine really short right now. I cut it off around 5 months ago. I want to say I cut it off like 5 months ago. And I wanted to go back super natural. So this is what it's looking like right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to style your natural hair when it's really this short. It's pretty straightforward. I will be using pretty much just two products and water. So I'll be using my Cantu curl forming gel, and I will be using my eco styling gel. I also will be using this detangler brush. I got this in Walmart. The brand is Conair. Using some water as well. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me show you guys the back. So this is what it's looking like. I totally love how this turned out. Like, I'm completely transformed. I love how this is looking. It's giving us a really cute natural feel, and it's definitely different, but I love it. If you want to get any of the products that I use today, I will be listing them down below. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this style, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe so I can see you guys in another video.